Oh, excuse me folks, it is cold now. Right, Andy with you. I've just come back to do a short video. I think the geese are getting ready to depart from here. Like I said, I'm down at the court, at the pool in Madeley, Telford, at the Beeches Field Nature Reserve. The geese are honking. You'll have to excuse the camera shake. Oh, blooming heck. I'm cold. Should have brought a jacket with me. No. There you go. There goes one. There they go, look. Wow, great. Wow, I'm so happy that I caught that on camera. Right then, that's it from here folks. Just the 3 ducks left. So right, okay, catch you soon, stay safe, bye for now.